you see the thing I'm seeing? What are you saying? What do you see? You really can see the giant strange egg over there. Let's bring it back to incubate and see what hatches. Oh no, no, no. Mom will scold us. I don't care about you. I'm going home. Wait, hold on. Don't you really think that egg is pitiful? If you bring it into the bedroom, Mom won't find out.
Okay, let's go.
She will find out the missing egg. I need to hide it quickly. Oh no, it's too heavy. Why are you two closing the door so tightly? Did you just come back from somewhere? I'm not going anywhere, Mom. We're sleeping here. Sleep well, Mom.
Huh?
It's strange. Why are the two of you going to bed so early today?
Huh?
Wow.
Wow, that giant egg has hatched. Is it a dinosaur? Wake up, Mira. That egg is a dinosaur egg. It has hatched. Amazing. That's amazing. It's a dinosaur. But what should we feed it? Milk, meat, or vegetables? This dinosaur is green, so it probably eats vegetables. That's right. Hurry up and go to the fridge to get some vegetables for it. Hey, the food is here. Eat now.
Huh?
things.
Huh?
Mom.
Why is the house so messy just after Mom left for a while? Is it because the two of you made a mess?
No, Mom, we didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry, Mom.
What do you mean, you adorable little thing? Hurry up and clean all this messy stuff quickly.
Oh, yes, Mommy. Hey, dinosaur. Little dinosaur. Why are you running down here? Mom just saw it now. Or is the little dinosaur hungry? This isn't good. I hear footsteps. Mom is coming soon. Where should I hide? There's no time left.
Oh no!
Unbelievable. I knew these two kids were hiding something from me. No wonder the food in the house ran out so quickly.